Welcome to Yamaha here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Kamil Stasiak. Nice to see you again, Kamil.
Yeah, good to see you, Trevor.
Yes. So you've got quite a few things on the booth that we want to talk about today, and we're going to start off with the single solutions line. I'm not quite sure what the exact name of it is, but it is your one-stop solution for an entire automatic line. So maybe you can start to talk us through, maybe beginning with the printer, the YRP10.
Yes, thank you, Trevor, for the nice welcome. Mm-hmm. Yes, our line concept we call the one-stop smart solution.
Okay.
And yes, indeed, you are right. On this Productronica, we showed first time in Europe our new high-end screen printer, which is a YRP10. What is new in this printer? We increase accuracy to 8 micron, repeatability with plus minus 6 sigma, which can...
Plus or minus 16 micron.
8 micron plus minus 6 sigma.
I see.
So it's extremely high accurate printer. The printer has also the option to be installed and ordered as a dual lane printer. So this is definitely new. We have a new operating system, we have a new software platform, we increase the accuracy and improve the automation function.
Okay. So the dual lane, does that takes smaller boards like for cell phone applications, mobile phones, that type of thing?
Yes. The dual lane printer is dedicated for the high volume production when the cycle time, very short, fast cycle time is essential. So the boards are very high populated and the size of the PCB does not exceed on the width 330 millimeters. So which is quite a lot compared to our competitors.
Yes, of course. So this particular model you've got here, though, the YRP10, that is also fitted with your stencil changeover and other automatic features. Can you talk about these?
Yes. Of course, yes. The automation functions are also available on the YRP10. So we have a backup pin transfer functionality with now high density matrix plate with pitch 2.5 millimeter. We have a paste transfer option, we have a stencil exchange, and on top we have a PSC system, which means the print stability control. So printer can monitor in the real time what is the solder roll width and add extra pace when it goes down below a certain level, which is defined by process engineer.
Okay, excellent. So that's a really good quality control solution there. So if we move on down the line, the next product is the SPI, of course, which interfaces with the printer. It's the YSi SP. Yeah,
the YSi SP, that's our SPI machine, which can be equipped with a single or twin projection. It's the fastest machine in the line. It, of course, can be integrated in the one-stop smart solution concept. So the multiple connections to machine are available. So we can forward to our YRP10 the positioning feedback. So we can check the SPI, measure what is the offset of the printed paste, and send the report to our printer. We can also trigger the stencil cleaning. So if we have a no solder problem or we have a breach, we can trigger the cleaning action on the printer.
Right. Okay.
And we have some feed forward functionality. For example, the bedmark information, the program changeover can be forwarded as well, like PCB serial number. So multiple connections.
Multiple connections there. Okay. So then we move on to the mounter side of the line, and then we've got here two YMR20s. So any sort of features that have been upgraded on these?
At the moment on the YRM20 we haven't got any upgrades besides the new LCR Checker. LCR Checker is our new unit to check the components value. What is the real value of the passive components like capacitors, resistors or inductors.
Right.
So this is really new. It's very flexible. Has a form of a 16 millimeter feeder, so it can be easily transferred between the machines, between the lines.
Right.
So everything depends on the customer's needs. It's not fixed to the machine because it's not the built-in system, so it's easy movable between the lines of the machines.
Okay. And then finishing the total line solution that you're showing here, you've got, of course, the other AOIs, 3D AOI inspection system.
Yeah, we show also the YRID, our top 3D inspection system, can be equipped as with the additional 4 projectors. So customer can select 4 or 8 depending on the application needs. We have selection of lenses, 12, 7, 5 micron lens, also related to the customer's needs and the application. And the YRID, same like our new printer, same like our new mounter, which stands behind us, can be also ordered in the dual lane configuration.
Okay.
So now we can proudly say that we can deliver the one-stop smart solution in the dual lane configuration.
Great, great. So as you mentioned just there, the star of the show here this week, of course, is the YRM20DL, which is behind us. This is the new machine. This is the one that you won the Global Technology Award for on Tuesday night, so congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Tell us some of the features that helped this machine to win that category.
So there are plenty of things why this machine has been awarded. I would like to start from performance of this machine and accuracy. The machine can achieve the output of up to 120,000 components per hour.
Okay, that's substantial.
And yeah, this is the outstanding performance. And
so how many heads is it using?
The machine can be equipped with 2 mounting heads, but
and is it dual gantry as well?
It's a dual gantry machine.
Yes.
And we offer the high-speed rotary head with 18 spindles. And what is new in this head, the head can achieve the accuracy of 15 micron, which is a completely best in class.
Yes, yes, yes. 15 micron accuracy,
15 micron,
that's pretty good.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Besides, we have a dual lane conveyor, which supports the PCB length up to 810 millimeters and 330 for the width in the dual lane production mode. This is also
800 millimeters.
810, yes.
Wow, that's huge.
That's
huge,
yeah.
Isn't it? And so what would that be for? Would that be for LED boards, or what sort of boards would you be putting through that are that size?
It can be also the LED products, but also the PCBs for the EV cars. So we can build the bigger panels. We can have more blocks within the one multi-panel. It gives better possibilities to balance the production line, because we can adjust the board size,
right,
and we can reduce the bottlenecks.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, so it's certainly a very talented and flexible machine. What's the feeder capacity on it?
The feeder capacity is 128 millimeter for the 8 millimeter feeder.
Okay.
And the machine has a special package available. We call it the Advanced Safety Package. This Advanced Safety Package is very important for some industry like the automotive, the medical. The machine fulfills the very sensitive, the high requirement criteria of the safety, category number 3.
Okay.
Besides, it gives also capabilities to exchange the feeder card without stopping the machine, so the machine can operate on the one lane
on the fly, basically.
On the fly, and the feeder card, which is unused, can be exchanged.
Yes.
Without stopping.
Without stopping the machine. Yes. Yeah, that's excellent.
We have a doubled safety circuits built in, and a special interface to have a communication in the safety circuits with the machines which are the previous and next.
Okay,
so
excellent.
By pressing the emergency button on the machine, which is, for example, located in the middle, the neighbor machines also stop to operate.
They are also stopped. Yeah, so it's an extra safety feature that's been built in.
Yes.
Right. Well, it's certainly worthy of its award, and it's an impressive piece of equipment. So I want to thank you for showing us the total line solution today, and of course the YRM20 behind us. So thank you for joining us today, Kamil.
Thank you, Trevor.